Welcome back. Today in this class we are going to study the text number concept in Java. So this is a question. So this question is asked for your board exam in 2019. So a text number has even number of digits. If the number is split into two equal halves, then then the square of the sum of these halves is equal to the number itself. Write a program to generate and print all four-digit text number. So they have in that particular question they have underlined this one, all four-digit text number. So the thing is that we want to print only four-digit text number. Okay, so that is a program we want to do. So let's see what a text number is with a simple example. So we have already seen the definition. So let's see it with a example. So consider the number. So this is the number 3025. Then square of sum of halves of 3025. So let's see what type of number is this. It consists of even number of digits. So we can, and so this number is valid to check whether it is a text number or not. So if you are entering a 3-digit number, then we can't check the condition. So if you entered the 4-digit number, then it is valid. So next thing is we are dividing the particular number into two equal halves. So that is 4 by 2, that is this is the first half, two numbers, this is the second half, two digits. Then sum of the two halves, that is 13 plus 25, it's 55, isn't it? Then it's square, sum of the halves square, that is 55 square, that is 55 into 55 equal to 3025. If you are getting the same number entered as the output, then we can say it's a text number by following these criteria. So I hope this is clear for you. So there are some conditions are there. The particular number consists of even number of digits. Then what is the next thing we want to do? We want to divide the number into two equal halves. Then we want to find the sum of these two numbers and its square. We want to find the sum of the half square. If you are getting the same number as output what we have entered earlier, then we can say that particular number is a text number. So whatever the input we have entered, if the same number is get as output by the conditions checked, then we can say it's a text number. So let's see. So here we can do this particular program by using mathematical operators. So here we are not doing all these things by using mathematical operator. Instead of that, we are using string handling functions. So if you are using the mathematical functions, then the program will be more larger. So a program can be done by a user in several ways. If you are getting the desired output by using the input with a few lines, then the program will be more efficient. So here this particular program is done by using string handling functions. So let's see, since we are using this string handling functions, this program will be more smaller. Okay, the same program can be done by using the mathematical functions, but if you are using the mathematical functions more, then or mathematical operators in the program, then the program will be more larger. That is, the meaning is that the program's statements will be more. So it's a time consuming process. So here we used the string handling function instead of that. So let's see. So I hope you know how to do all these things. Let's see with the program illustration. So here there is no need to import a package for this program. So here we start the program with class name. Here class text. Then opening of class. Then we have declared our main method, public static void main string of args. Then open the main method. So here we have declared our variables. in the beginning of the main function itself. That is int I comma a comma b comma s. So a total of 4 integer variables have been declared and a string variable n have also been declared. So you will be known all these things by doing this program, what our purpose we have done, or we declared this particular variables in the program. So let's see. Here appending message is given, system.out.println all 4-digit text number. Okay. The main thing is that we want only 4-digit text number. So we have used a for loop for checking the condition, that is for I equal 1000, I less than 10,000, I plus plus. This is the criteria we are going to check. That is the number, the least 4-digit number is 1000. The largest 4-digit number is 9999. That is between 1000 and 10,000 or 9999. We require our considered text number. Okay, for that we are checking the condition like this. Clear? For I equal 1000, I less than 10,000, or instead of that you can give I less than or equal to 9999. Both are right, I plus plus. So here what we are doing is that first we have converted our number, integer number. So inside the variable I, our number is whatever the first number according to the condition, 1000 will be the first number. 1000 plus a double quotes, that is we have converted our integer to a string and we have stored in the variable n. We have converted our integer variable to a string type and it is stored in the variable n. So this is the main point. So now suppose just consider our number is 3025. The value of I will be 3025 and we have converted that to string by using this statement and we stored in the variable n. So this particular number then now converted to string type. So this is our number, inputted number. How we will get the half of this number? Since it is a string, in order to extract a part of the string, we want to use the substring function. So here we are using a equal integer dot parseInt of n dot substring of 0, 2. By using this function, we can extract a part of the string ranging from 0 to 2. So here you know that since it is a string, the index position of 3 is 0. 0 is 1, 2 is 2, then 5's index position is 3. So we are going to extract the first half. Since a total of 4 digits are there, 4 by 2, that is 2. First 2 digits will be extracted. The first half will be extracted. So in order to extract that, we are using 0 to 2. So extract the substring 0 from the string n dot substring of 0, 2. That is 0 to 1 will be taken. We are not taking up to 2, up to 1 only we will take 0 and 1. So it is 30. So 30 will be stored in the variable a. Clear? So we want to get the next half. The same thing we are doing, that is b equal to integer dot parseInt of n dot substring of 2. That is we are extracting the string from the position index position 2. So whatever letters are remaining, that will be extracted. That is 25 will be extracted. So 25 will be stored in the variable b. So now a and b holds the first half and the second half. What is the next thing we want to do? We want to find the sum of the squares. Okay, so for that it will be stored in the variable s. So mat.pow of a plus b, that is a holds 30 and b holds 25. 30 plus 5 it's square. So for that using pow function mat.pow of a plus b comma 2. So it will be converted to integer type and it will be stored in the variable s. Clear? Since it is of both A and B are in string type, we want to convert that to integer type. So typecasting is done here. So it will be converted to the variable s. So s is, as you all know, s is of which type? It is of integer type as we declared earlier. So now s holds the sum of the, what is it? Sum of the half, that is square of the sum of the halves of that particular number will be held by the variable s. Okay, what is the next thing we want to do? We want to check a condition, that is if s equal to I, that is if the output we got equal to the input. If so, then we can print the text numbers. So this condition will goes on until the value of I becomes less than 10,000. That is, we are encountering the text numbers ranging from 1000 to 9000, that is 10,000, between 1000 and 10,000. That is, only the 4-digit text number will be taken, or it will be printed only here. Okay, so closing of for loop, closing of main, closing of class. So this is the output. I hope this is clear for you. So students, don't be confused. This particular program is for, they have clearly given that only print the 4-digit text number. This is not for the entire text number criteria. This is for only, this program is only for printing the text numbers ranging from 1000 to 10,000. That is, only 4-digit text number will be printed. So if you want a 5-digit text number, what is the condition? Then in this for loop, we can change the condition like this. For I equal to 10,000, I less than 1 lakh, like that you can give. Okay, according to the criteria, we have printed only 4-digit text numbers. That is, 2025 is the first text number, then 3025, 9801. So these are the text numbers. So I hope this is clear for you. So this program will be more clear for you if you do the dry run. So here only the thing we have done is we have converted the number to string type. After converting it to string type, we separated or we extract a part of the string by using the substring function, and we have find the sum of the two halves, and we have again converted that to integer type. A small minute variations in 3 lines. Within 3 lines